Union County teacher remains on administrative leave tonight after being accused of assaulting a student.
Court records show that the alleged victim is just 6 years old. 26-year-old Noah Bradley has already bonded out of jail. Now the case is raising questions about how children report abuse.
WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris spoke with child protection advocates about what happens next.
Now, investigators say that this case involves a trusted adult inside an elementary school classroom. And now child advocates say that allegations like this can be extremely difficult, especially for young children, to process and report. Court records show that Noah Bradley, a teacher at Western Union Elementary School, was arrested Tuesday after being charged with assault to a student. The 26-year-old is accused of aggressively grabbing a student's arm, leaving visible bruising. And investigators say the child involved is just 6 years old.
It just feels like a crack in a really important foundation.
Union County Public Schools told us that Bradley is on administrative leave pending the investigation. Bradley was released from jail after posting bond, and while the criminal case moves forward, child advocates say the focus immediately shifts to the child's safety.
We do assessments and determine, based on their age, based on where they live, based on some of the other factors, symptoms they may be reporting, we can make a referral to any therapist in the area. So that is trauma informed and is trained in evidence-based practice.
Pat's Place, a child advocacy center that works with law enforcement, says cases involving educators can be especially complex because children are often taught to trust adults and authority.
For many children, schools are a sanctuary for them when those places don't feel safe. I think that's always hard for parents, caregivers, and community members to kind of wrap their minds around.
Advocates say one of the most important messages parents can give kids is that it's always okay to speak up when something doesn't feel right.
We have to also work a little bit to help kids understand the tone, like we would say as adults, read the room, but for a kid to understand, like, if an adult seems really angry and upset and grabs you really hard, that's not okay. And it's okay for kids to have a voice and to say, ow, I didn't like that, and to tell somebody.
Now, court records show that this case is still under investigation, and child advocates, they encourage parents to take concerns seriously and seek help if they see their kids showing any distress. I'm Miles Harris for WCNC Charlotte.